here's another scenario where standard form is a lot more useful than normal decimal form. So if I were to give you this, get this times this. Well, you could do this. You could write, this is your 80 million here. So 80 million. You could do this here. Times, well, this is 1,000 million, 7,200,000, 000. You could do this. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. You could do this here. You could do your standard multiplication. But the thing is, it takes a long time. So what you do, you convert this number into standard form. Now to do that, you're given this number here. So you've got to zoom into this part here. Basically, you've got to zoom into this. You need your 8. Well, anyway, to convert this into standard form, it would be this. If you don't know how to do this, then watch some of the earlier videos. So you need hang on. Let me start again. Sorry. So here you start here. Your eyes will immediately zoom into this bit here, 8.0. But the thing is, why write 8.0? Just write 8. Okay. So it's going to be 8 times 10 to the power of what? You see, you start here. How would you get from 8 to this number here? Well, you need to, hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 8 times 10 to the power 7. So again, if you don't understand this, watch some of the earlier videos. Okay, so given this number here, your eye should zoom into this bit here. Okay. Well, why write 8.0? Why not just write 8? So it's 8 times 10 to the power of 7. Okay. Now convert this into your standard form. So here your eye should zoom into this bit here. Okay. And then it's so convert it 7.2. So well, we want the decimal to be here because we have to express it. Well, anyway, we want the decimal here. So from here, originally it was here. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 10 to the power of 6. Okay. Now, if you don't understand this, watch some of the earlier videos. So now, because we want this number times this number, so what we've got is, well, we need to get this number times this number, because this is the same as this, and this is the same as this. So we need to get this times this. Okay. Now just look at this bit here. This thing here well, you've got this thing here. Let's say this is A. Okay. Times hang on, A times B. Let's say this thing here is B. Okay. And then you've got to times it with this here. Let's say that this is C. Okay. And then C times it with D. Now, so in effect, what you've got here, you could write as this: A times B times C times D. That's what's happening. But the thing is, let's group. Let's get B times with the D, and then get the A times with the C, because we're allowed to do that. Because if you have 5 times 3, that's the same as 3 times 5. Well, if you have 3 times 4 times 5, well, that's the same as 5 times 3 times 4. My point is that when you have A times B times C, you're allowed to switch the orders around as long as they all multiply with each other. So A times B times C is the same as B times A times C, or whatever order you want. My point here is that let me write this. Let me write this again. So we've got 8 times 10 to the power 7, okay, times 7.2 times 10 to the power 6. Okay, so my point here is get this times with this first. Okay, so and then we will get this times with this, and then we can merge these two together. Well, this times this is really easy. Remember when we have x to the power of, let's say, 7, times x to the power of 6. Sorry, x here. Because the two x's here are the same, we can just add these two. So basically, this thing here, hang on, will be 8 times 7.2. Now let's merge these two together. So that'd be 10 to the power of 13. Okay. So now it's just a matter of merging this with this. So hang on. So 7.2 times 8. So what's that? So this, well, just do it as normal. Leave the decimal to the end. So 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 56, 57. 57. We've got one decimal place here, so we've got to move the decimal here. So, well, anyway, do whichever way you want. 7.2 times 8 is 57.6. So if you merge these two together, this would be, hang on, well, 8 times 7.2 would be 57.6 times 10 to the power of 13. So this will be your final answer, okay? But leave in this form. You could convert it into your decimal form. So you could do leave it as this form, because standard form is it's a lot more useful, okay? So this next example here, how would you do this? Get this times with this, okay? So again, convert this into your standard form, okay? So hang on. So your eye should zoom in here. You want the decimal to be here. So your eye should zoom into this bit. So you need 4.8. Now 4.8 times 10 to the power of what? So it was here. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's that. So converting this number to standard form would be this. Now convert this into your standard form. So it would be times. Now your eye should zoom into this bit here. You need the decimal to be here. Okay, so it would be 9 here times 10 to the power of what? Well, the decimal was here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 9 times 10 to the power of 6. Now it's just a matter of getting now visualize it like this. You've got this block times this block times this block times this block. Let's do this bit first. So this bit would be 4.8 times 9. So what's that? 4.8 times 9. So 9 times 8 is 72. So 2 carry the 7. 9 times this would be 36. 36 plus 7 will be 43. 43. But here we've got one decimal here. So let's the decimal was here. Let's move it here. Okay. So this will be your answer. 43.2. So this times with this would be 43.2, and now get this times this. Well, this here is the two tens are the same, so it will be times 10 to the power of 14. So this here would be your final answer. Okay.